Can this small excavator meet our work needs? EPAM Pro Mini Excavator. Pilot operating workbench, multiple configuration functions can be selected. Crawler telescopic, boom side swing, roll cage driving shed. Talk to us for more info.